it's Mary here from Real Girls Realm, and today I am going to be showing you how I get my dry clean only clothes clean without going to the dry cleaners. So I am a Dryel ambassador, which means I get to try out some of their new products, and they do compensate me for this post, but I only use products that I love. And I've been using Dryel for a long time, so I was excited to get to try their new kit. So this kit is about $10 and it comes with several things inside. So I'm going to show you what that is. When you first open it, you get this huge bag that zips. And it's a really nice fabric reusable bag that holds up to like 5 or 6 pieces of clothes. You get a stain remover pen, which has a little scrubby part. And that's to pre-treat any stains. And then you also get an odor and wrinkle releaser. So you can spray your clothes with this before you pop it in the bag. And then this dryer activated cleaning cloth is the thing that does the magic whenever you put it in the bag. So I'm going to show you how easy it is. So I've got a few sweaters here. And this one has a little bit of a stain on the sleeve. So we are going to, and if you squeeze it, the stuff comes out and it's already taken the stain off. So that is ready to go. And these don't really get wrinkled because they're sweaters, but we are just going to put some of the spray on them since I have worn them a few times this winter. So spray. And here I've got 3 pretty thick sweaters and a sweater dress. So I'm going to show you how they fit in this bag. And you want to just make sure you don't fill the bag too full, about 3/4 of the way full. That way the moisture activating can do its work. So like I said, this is 3 sweaters and a sweater dress. And it's only about halfway full. And then you open up the dryer activated cleaning cloth, which steam cleans it. And it's got a solution in it. And then you just shut it and pop it in your dryer. And it suggests about 15 to 30 minutes depending on how dirty it is or how much you want it to be refreshed. And do it on medium heat, and then you just take it out and either hang it up or fold it. So they also make refill packs. And the refill kit comes with 1 stain pen, 1 bottle of the odor and wrinkle releaser, and 8 cleaning cloths. So it gets, let's see, I think each one you can use about 5 to 6 pieces. So for 8 cleaning cloths, that is about 40 pieces, which is a really good deal. And again, this is about $10, which is a lot cheaper than taking it to the dry cleaners. So I hope you enjoyed this review of Dryel, and I hope you'll try it out. Thanks!